Please, Speed, me need this. Mom have no cave. Me live with Dad, want help Mom. Speed, me look at your cave painting. Why laugh? Disrespectful. Why laughing, Speed?
Let's play football.
Let me break it down for you, Mark. Bacon, nugget, cheese, 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 bacon, nugget, cheese.
Make sure we'll go this way. This way.
Insert.
What kind of spider is this?
If I back it up, is it bad enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't
What? Look, kid, we've had our differences. But we're still on the same side. We're still trying to save lives. And we're still the good guys.
Yo, Krillin, ain't that your Bugatti outside?
Oh, it's no big deal.
Bugatti? I thought Krillin drove a beat-up Corolla.
No, Frieza! Don't do it! Goku!
Oh shoot.
Want to just repeat what you just said to me?
I said, here's your pink drink, and what else is pink? It's not
That's
that
so
weird.
gross. I know what that means.
No, okay, it's just a question.
No, you
and-
winked at me.
Yeah, because you didn't know that our strawberry cake pops are also pink.
No, that's not what you meant. I know
Alright.
exactly what.
We got a long line. Here, just take a pink pop.
Whatever.
Bro, my girlfriend just left, bro. I need you.
Get down! Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Hey! 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 To the window!
1738. I'm like, hey, what's up? Sit your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sacrifice the road. Got into the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remix it below. She my
Give me your money.
I got this one.
No! Krillin, wait! It's all yours, Goku!
I just drugged the band director. I got a brand new saxophone.
Done well so far, but up until now I've only been using a mere 5% of my power. Now let's see how well you fare against my Biden blast!
Mr. Sun came up and he
me.
Morty! Morty!
Oh, Rick.
Get in the car, Morty! Get in the car!
Oh, Rick, I was asleep. I was having a little Morty sleep.
Morty! Get in the damn car now! Get in here!
Oh, why?
Get in the fucking car!
Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? Hey, do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? La la loving your body, la loving your body, babe. You.
With the Heliante, with the Helion, with the Halle Berry, with the Halle Burton, with the Halle.
I like that boom boom pow. Them chickens jogging my style. Them chickens jogging my chickens jogging, chickens jogging, chickens jogging.
Chicken jockey!
Anything you can dream about here, you can make. Zero limit.
Logan sogar die SS! Die gesamte Generalität des...
Wanna be involved, I don't want to spend it up. I don't need to say shit to you, my face gon' say it up. Frequent, and my show, hold my breath. Smoke fast, so fresh to death.
Because sometimes, to change the entire universe, you have to be...
La 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 lava, chicken. Sells love with chicken, yes, easy as hell. Ooh, mama sleep at night, you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
I'm falling in and out of cause don't worry, I'ma get it, granny. What happened? Now my daddy happy. Mama called me up, that money coming and she let me got it made it now. I done found my meaning now. All them days are hard to break. Hard.
Congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me.
If you put Clara and Diana side by side and ask who's prettier, everyone says Clara. But somehow Diana is always surrounded by suitors while Clara couldn't attract a fly. And even though Clara is the prettier one, it makes no sense that she has no admirers. Once you understand how attraction is relative and how Diana takes advantage of this
Like a soon-to-be broken man once said, you're either perfect or you're not me.
Booty, I'm rubbing a butt. Like, baby girl, I wanna fuck. Like, get G. 1-2 step in the box. Get G. 1-2 step in the box. Get G. 1-2 step in the box. Get G.
Chicken nigger!
You stupid American pronounces pastry as croissant. Croissant. It is pronounced
Chicken jockey.
Hey, do you love the way I do when I'm left?
Chicken jockey.
When I'm left?
Chicken jockey. Chicken jockey.
hop in that motherfucker fall. Let that motherfucker be wrong. Big gun, big ear show. City to city on tour. Bacardi and Winnie the Pooh. I love my diamond egg long. Fuck with your beat. Yeah, she left in the moon.
Yoruichi has gotten all serious. So in the next episode, I'm gonna...
You're going to strip?
No, I'm not gonna strip. I'm not like you.
You're not? How boring. I was kind of looking forward to it.
Then I will do it.
My noodles off the heat earlier because I like my noodles a little hard, but do you know what else I like hard?
I hope I'm not too late to set my demons straight. I know I made you wait, but how much can you take? I hope you see the God in me. I hope you can see. And if it's up, stay down for me.
Do not add pineapple.
Pineapple does belong on a pizza.
Remove the pineapple.
Add pineapple to the
Remove
pizza.
the
Add
pineapple.
the pineapple right
Don't add pineapple.
Shut up. Add pineapple.
Pineapple
Add
doesn't
it.
belong on
Add
a pizza.
pineapple to the
Remove
pizza.
the pineapple. Remove the
Put
pineapple.
I just jugged the band director. I got a brand new saxophone.
I'm jaking it. I'm jaking it. Oh.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
It's no longer you here, you die hiding in your Wi-Fi. It's now blue just missed calls hiding in your walls. Check your walls, I'm in your walls.
Is that invincible? What? Why are you in a book?
Pathetic!
Oh my god.
I wouldn't even keep you as a slave in my own empire!
Wow. No, I get it. I get it.
No, it's from the show. Like, my skin? Like, I'm...
Wow. Yeah,
That's a glitch!
exactly
That's
what
a glitch!
I'm not jaking it. I'm just laying here, sleeping. I lied. Oh, yeah. I'm jaking it. I'm jaking it. Oh, so good.
Who are you again?
I am Steve. Flint and Steel.
Chicken jockey.
What are you doing, bro? You're not even hurting him. All right, buddy, I'm bringing out the Teto Golem. Yes, my Tetos. Just like we rehearsed. Come on, get his ass. Get his ass.
Twinzinini Boombini, Osamalanka, Da Blanca Kaukanka, Planzini Goon Boom Boom Casa Traula, Thermite Explondas Boom Loom Controleta.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know what you think.